Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last few videos, I have discussed what is a combinational circuit, what is a multiplexer, what is a demultiplexer, what is an encoder and what is a decoder. I hope you have watched all those videos. If you have not watched those videos, I request you to go back and watch those videos and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss about sequential circuits. Before discussing about a sequential circuit, let me give an overview of combinational circuits. In a combinational circuit, we will give the input and we will get the output. So, the output will depend only on the present input. Am I right? Whereas in sequential circuit, the output will depend on the present input and also the past output. Suppose let's take that. Let me discuss the sequential circuit with an example. You are going for an interview. Okay, some placement interview you went. Okay, then the HR has asked you your past information also. Let's take that he asked some questions related to DBMS or related to digital logic design. Some questions he has asked and you have given the response. But he is also asking your past marks such as your 10th class marks, your plus 2 marks, your BTech marks. All this he is asking. So, he is asking your past information and also the present questions. Okay. Now, your final result here will depend on your past information such as the percentage of marks you got in 10th and plus 2 and BTech and also whatever the marks you got during the interview. So, such kind of things we will call it as a sequential circuit. Whereas combinational circuit, if he asks only the questions, he does not bother about your percentage in 10th class and all these things. The interview result only depend on the questions he has asked. Then it is an example for a combinational circuit. I hope you have understood with this example. So let me discuss about the sequential circuit in detail. So sequential circuit consists of combinational circuit and also the memory elements such as latch and flip-flop. Let me discuss about the latch and flip-flop later. Okay. Now if you look at it, the input we are giving and also the past output also we are giving to the combinational circuit. So, input and past output, this is nothing but I can say that it is a feedback. Okay, input and past output if I am giving to the combinational circuit and I am getting the output here. So, such circuits we can call it as a sequential circuit. And remember one thing, in sequential circuits design is difficult whereas compared to the combinational circuits. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Designing a mux is easy as compared to designing a flip-flop. Okay. So, the sequential circuits best examples are latches and flip-flops. Then we will discuss about the registers. We'll discuss about the counters. So, all these things will come in the sequential circuit. We have a synchronous sequential circuits, asynchronous sequential circuits. All these things I will discuss in detail. So, in the next video, I will discuss about the latches such as SR latches using the NOR gates and the NAND gates. Then I will discuss about the important concepts such as SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, D flip-flop, and then I will discuss various counters such as synchronous counter, asynchronous counter. All these things I will discuss in detail. So that's why I request everyone to watch all the videos in a sequence for better understanding. I hope you have understood what is a sequential circuit and how it is different from the combination circuit. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.